Hello everyone, TheSenpaiCode here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Windows Movie Maker 2012. Down in the description I've included a mega link that will lead you to the Windows Live Essentials.execute. It's 131 megabytes. Go ahead and download that file. Alright, once you have Windows Live Essentials downloaded, go ahead and double click. Now you might get a security pop-up. I'm just going to hit yes. Here's Windows Essentials 2012, and what we want to do is choose the programs that you want to install. Now some of these are no longer operational, but all we want to make sure that we have checked is the Photo Gallery and Movie Maker right here, and we're just going to hit install. And then it's going to install it for us. And there we go, it's now installed. So we can just close that. If I come down and I type in the search Movie Maker, it should pop up. Here it is right here. And I can just click on this to show you all that it is working. And here we are. It's that simple to install Movie Maker. And if this worked for you, feel free to leave a like, comment down below so that other people can find this video. And I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching.